Kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. It is getting hot here in Arizona, so today I'm going to show you how to make a mango float. Mango float is one of the most common dessert in the Philippines. This is common during parties and fiestas or wedding, like international flight. This actually serves as one of the dessert for international flight back home. So to get started, I have 3 mangoes, ripe mangoes. These are sweet. I got this at the Asian market, and so I'm just using 3. And also I have, we're gonna need sweetened milk and graham crackers. We're just gonna smash that until it's pulverized. Also a vanilla, Cool Whip, or you could use, normally we use a heavy cream, but I don't want to use heavy cream. I'm just going to use a Cool Whip, because the idea of the heavy cream is you're just going to mix it or blend it until it's puffed, like it's like not thick anymore. So first we are going to do just prepare our mangoes. I keep saying bananas, but mangoes. So I'm just slicing the mangoes. What I'm going to do with these mangoes is I'm gonna cut them into cubes, because I'm gonna use that cubes into toppings for my mango float. So just cut this line straight through, but easy with your knife, because you don't want to poke the skin. So just put a little pressure in your knife, on your knife, and just cut that like that and make a square. Just be easy, don't hurt yourself. If you're hesitant to do this, you could lay this flat on a chopping board. So now I'm just scooping that meat. See how easy that is? And then when they stick together, all you have to do is run a knife through it, so they're all cubes like that. So now with the rest of the mangoes, I'm just gonna slice it half. And with this mangoes, I'm gonna use this as to puree the mangoes. I'm also using whatever left on that seeds. I'm not gonna throw that seeds away. I'm gonna use the meat from it too. So all I have to do here is just scoop all the meat. You could also peel the mangoes. I don't like doing that though, because sometimes I wind up taking more skin or less of the skin, and sometimes if that skin gets stuck to the meat of the mango, it makes your mango taste bitter, so I don't want to do that. So now with the seeds, all you have to do with the seeds is just peel the skin. You don't want to waste anything. There's still meat right there. See how easy that is just to peel that. So here I would recommend using a small knife. See how many, there's still meat on that seeds, so just take your time. I'm kind of just making this faster, so I don't want to drag this video too long, but using a small knife, it's more faster to grab all that meat out. So don't waste the seeds, and just slowly peeling the skin, and it will be easy to just slice out those meat out from that mango seeds. Just like that, nice and easy. Watch your fingers though. That's why I recommend using a smaller knife. Trust me, I'm not gonna throw this mango away. I'm gonna eat it, whatever left in there. So now that's done, I'm just gonna wash my hands and bring my blender. So now here's our blender. We're just gonna blend our mango. I could open that. And so here's the mango, and if I could find a spoon, or this one will work. So just drop that over on the blender. You're just basically gonna smooth this out or puree it. You're gonna add sweetened milk. I know you might be asking, you might be thinking, oh my gosh, sweetened milk. This is how we make this mango float. Actually, we add like a whole entire can, but I'm not gonna do that because I know my mango is so sweet. I don't want to make it too sweet. So we have our mango and our sweetened milk. I'm also adding coconut milk. This is optional. So there's you go. We're just gonna blend this and puree. So there's our mango. I'm just gonna taste it, but it should be good. Use a big spoon. Oh, that's good. So that's done. No, we're gonna make our graham cracker. We're gonna pulverize it and then we're gonna layer it. So let me just get this blender out of the way. We're gonna use the graham cracker and you're gonna need a Ziploc bag because you're gonna pulverize the graham cracker. So just put all the graham crackers inside the Ziploc bag. This will make things easy when you pulverize the graham cracker. Just take your time though and just make sure it's kind of pulverized. It also good if there's a little chunk to it, but that's really up to you. I didn't make it so powdery, but this is actually good to make it as powdery as it is. So I'm transferring it to a separate bowl, but this really up to you. This makes things easy though. We have the graham cracker, which we pulverize. We have the mango cubes. We have the mango puree. Now we're gonna make our cream. With the cream, is just use a Cool Whip. Just using all of that. We use all the Cool Whip. So with your Cool Whip, all you have to do is add a vanilla. If you want to make it sweeter, like the traditional Filipino mango float, then you could add a sweetened milk, but I think we had enough sugar with this dessert, so we're just gonna keep it simple. So there you go. That's all. So we have a mason jar. First, you are gonna put a graham. So layer it first with your graham cracker and then the mango puree. It's supposed to be the cream and the mango puree, but I totally skipped that one. But it's really up to you. This turns out to be delicious as well, even though I missed that one layer. So adding a cubes make it look prettier. And now adding another layer of the graham crackers. And now I'm putting the Cool Whip on a Ziploc bag. It makes things easy to dispense the cream if you put it on a Ziploc bag. And I just cut the ends of the Ziploc bag just like that. See how easy that is to dispense it? And what I did here is just shake the mason jar to kind of like spread the cream evenly. And then I put the mango cubes and the graham cracker again. And the last layer will be the mango puree and then the toppings, of course. This is optional, you don't have to put toppings, but I like to make it a little bit prettier so my daughter will eat it. So we're almost done. Now all I have to do is top it with the powdered graham cracker. There is our first mango float using mason jar. So now I'm serving it, the mango float, using a wine glass. I was thinking for like, this is perfect for like a baby shower or something. Instead of serving a wine, why can't you serve a mango float using a wine glass? So we have graham cracker and then the mango puree. Just easy though, because you know glass wine is so fragile. It looks pretty though in a glass wine. I think if you have a party or something, that non-alcohol party, this will be perfect to serve. Done with the first layer, now with the second layer. This is actually fun to make. You could also make a mango float using like a Pyrex glass, like a square container. I'm just digging to whatever left on that mango puree. And just shake that to kind of like have all the ingredients spread out evenly. And now just top it with the Cool Whip. And of course the mango cubes. See how pretty that mango cubes to put as the toppings. And sprinkle it with a graham cracker. So here is our mango float. The first one, I'm using a mason jar. This is just if you want to serve it to a family or just your everyday regular dessert, but this is not just a regular dessert. This is very special. This is one of the most common dessert in the Philippines. And also, I also use a wine glass. Like if you're doing a baby shower, instead of serving wine and the mom-to-be can't drink wine, why can't you serve a mango float using a wine glass? So let me try the mango float to see if it tastes good. I know it's gonna taste good. It has mango, the cream, and the mango cubes, and some graham cracker. Oh, that's good. It's absolutely delicious. So delicious. Perfect for the hot weather. It's so good. Thank you everyone for watching Dash of Spices. We hope you like this video. If you do, give it a
thumbs up.
She corrected me. She said, Mommy, you said thumbs up. It's supposed to be what?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Not thumbs up, thumbs up.
And leave a comment below if you have any suggestions, or maybe you made another mango float, your own version of mango float. This is my own version of mango float, as I said a while ago. If it's a Filipino version, we use like a can of the sweetened milk, but I just use like a couple of tablespoons of sweetened milk. So until next time, thank you guys for watching Dash of Spices. See you soon.